Hello students, welcome to lecture series of Mathematics 1. This is Hitesh Manglani, Assistant Professor at LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology. So in the last lecture, we have discussed about Maclaurin series for standard functions, and in that we have discussed 4 standard functions. Now we will discuss another 4 standard functions. So fifth standard function is f of x equal to sin x. So here we will have to find out Maclaurin series for f of x equal to sin x. So here, first of all, we will have to find out value of f of 0. So for that, here replacing x by 0, so it will be sin 0 and value of sin 0 is 0. Then taking derivative of f of x, so here we will have to differentiate sin x. So derivative of sin x with respect to x will be cos x. Now here again replacing x by 0, so it will be cos 0 and value of cos 0 is 1. Now taking derivative again, so f dash x will become f double dash x and derivative of cos x will be minus sin x, and here replacing x by 0, so it will be minus sin 0, and as we know value of sin 0 is 0, so it will be 0. Okay, now again taking derivative f triple dash x, so derivative of sin x is cos x, so here it will be minus cos x, because here it is minus sign, so it will be minus cos x, and here replacing x by 0, so it will be minus cos 0 and value of cos 0 is 1, so it will be minus 1. Now here as you can see that there are 2 non-zero terms, so still we have to take derivative, because in the final answer there should be at least 3 non-zero terms. So going further, taking derivative, so derivative of cos x, that is minus sin x, and but here it is minus, so it will be plus. Okay, so here it will be sin x, and replacing x by 0, so it will be sin 0 and value of sin 0 is 0. Now taking derivative again, so derivative of sin x is cos x and replacing x by 0, so it will be cos 0 and value of cos 0 is 1. So here as you can see there are 3 non-zero terms, this one and this one. So we will write down here and so on. Now by Maclaurin series, f of x is equal to f of 0 plus x f dash 0 plus x square by 2 factorial f double dash 0 plus x cube by 3 factorial f triple dash 0 plus x raised to 4 by 4 factorial f40 plus x raised to 5 by 5 factorial f50 plus so on. Now what is f of x? It is sin x, so here we will write down sin x is equal to value of f of 0. What is value of f of 0? It is 0, so no need to write down. Then second term, that is f dash 0, and what is value of f dash 0? It is 1. So here x into 1, so it will be x. Clear? Then next, value of f double dash 0. Here value of f double dash 0 is 0, so no need to write down. Then next is f triple dash 0. Value of f triple dash 0 is minus 1. Okay, and here x cube by 3 factorial into minus 1. So here it will be minus x cube by 3 factorial. Now next is f40. Value of f40 f40 is 0, so no need to write down it. Then last will be f50 and value of f50 is 1. So x raised to 5 factorial into 1. So here it will be x raised to 5 factorial minus so on. So this is Maclaurin series for sin x. As you can see that in this series there are odd powers of x. So we will have to remember this series. Now we will discuss Maclaurin series of function f of x equals to cos x. So here first of all we will have to find the value of f of 0. So here replacing x by 0. So value of cos 0 is 1. Then taking derivative of f of x. So if we take derivative of f of x, then it is f dash x. And the derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So here it will be minus sin x. And here again we will have to find the value of f dash 0, which is minus sin 0, because replacing x by 0, and value of sin 0 is 0, so it will be 0. Then taking derivative of f dash x, so it will be f double dash x, and derivative of sin x. What is derivative of sin x? It is cos x, and here it is minus sin, so here it will be minus cos x. And here again replacing x by 0, so here it will be minus cos 0, and value of cos 0 is 1, so it will be minus 1. Now here as you can see there are only two non-zero terms, so we will have to find the derivative further. So f triple dash x. Now derivative of cos x is minus sin x, but here it is minus sin, so it will be plus. So here it will be sin x. Now replacing x by 0, so here it will be sin 0, value of sin 0 is 0. Okay. Again we will have to take derivative. Okay, so derivative of sin x is cos x, and replacing x by 0. So here cos 0, value of cos 0 is 1. So here as you can see that there are three non-zero terms. So we will write down and so on, because in final answer there must be at least three non-zero terms. Now by Maclaurin series, what is Maclaurin series? It is f of x equals to f of 0 plus x f dash 0 plus x square by 2 factorial f double dash 0 plus x cube by 3 factorial f triple dash 0 plus x raised to 4 by 4 factorial f40 plus so on. So here what is f of x? That is our given function is cos x. So here we will write down cos x is equal to, what is value of f of 0? It is 1 plus x into f dash 0. Value of f dash 0 is 0, so no need to write down. Then next is f double dash 0. Value of f double dash 0 is minus 1, and here x square by 2 factorial into minus 1. So here it will be minus x square by 2 factorial. Then next value of f triple dash 0. Value of f triple dash 0 is 0, so no need to write down. Then last is value of f40. Value of f40 is 1. So x raised to 4 factorial into 1. So here it will be plus x raised to 4 by 4 factorial minus so on. So here you can see that in the Maclaurin series of for cos x there are even powers of x. So we will have to remember this Maclaurin series. Now we will discuss Maclaurin series for function f of x is equal to log 1 plus x. So here first of all, what we will have to find out? We will have to find out the value of f of 0. So replacing x by 0 here. So log 1, value of log 1 is 0. Then taking derivative of f of x. So derivative of f of x will be f dash x, and derivative of log 1 plus x will be 1 divided by 1 plus x. And here derivative of bracket, here derivative of 1 will be 0 and derivative of x will be 1. So no need to write down into 1. And here replacing x by 0. So 1 divided by 1 plus 0. So it is 1. Now again taking derivative, that is f double dash x, and here as you can see that this function is 1 upon x type, and derivative of 1 divided by x is minus 1 divided by x square. So it will be minus 1 divided by 1 plus x whole square, because this can be written as x plus 1 raised to minus 1, and if we use that formula, derivative of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. So by that formula it will be minus 1 into 1 plus x raised to minus 2. So by that formula it is minus 1 divided by 1 plus x whole square. Now here replacing x by 0. So here it will be minus 1 divided by 1 square. So it is minus 1. Now here as you can see there are two non-zero terms. So still we have to take derivative f triple dash x. So here again using the same formula, this can be written as 1 plus x whole raised to minus 2. And we know that derivative of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. So by that formula, here it will be, there minus 1 will be as it is, and it will be minus 2 into 1 plus x raised to minus 3. Okay, so this can be written as 2 divided by 1 plus x whole cube. Now replacing x by 0. So here it will be 2 divided by 1 cube, and which is 2. So as you can see we have obtained 3 non-zero terms. So we will write down and so on. Now by Maclaurin series. So Maclaurin series of function is given by f of x is equal to f of 0 plus x into f dash 0 plus x square by 2 factorial f double dash 0 plus x cube by 3 factorial f triple dash 0 plus so on. So what is f of x? It is log 1 plus x. Okay, so here we will write down log 1 plus x. Then value of f of 0. Value of f of 0 is 0, so no need to write down. Then next term is f dash 0. So here value of f dash 0 is 1. So here x into 1 will be x. So here we will write down x. Okay. Then next is value of f double dash 0. So here value of f double dash 0 is minus 1, and here x square by 2 factorial into minus 1. So it will be minus x square by 2. Okay. Then next is f triple dash 0. What is value of f triple dash 0? It is 2. Okay. And so it will be 2x cube divided by 3 factorial. And we know that value of 3 factorial is 6. So 2 by 6, that is 1 by 3. So here we will write down plus x cube by 3 minus so on. So this is Maclaurin series for function log 1 plus x, which is given by x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus so on. Now we will discuss Maclaurin series for function which is log 1 minus x. So here we can find the Maclaurin series for this function using same procedure. So this is this way we can find the Maclaurin series for log 1 minus x. First of all, we can find f of 0, then f dash 0, f double dash 0. But as we have already obtained the Maclaurin series for log 1 plus x, so we can directly replace x by minus x. So in this series we will replace x by minus x. So it will be, if we replace x by minus x, so here it will be minus x and here minus x whole square. So minus x whole square will be positive, but here it is minus sign, so it will be negative, minus x square by 2, and here minus x whole cube, which is negative, so it will be minus x cube by 3 minus so on. So this is Maclaurin series for function log 1 minus x, which is minus x square by 2 minus x cube by 3 minus so on. So in today's lecture we have discussed 4 functions. So first function is sin x, then second is cos x, then log 1 plus x and log 1 minus x. So all of you have to remember these 4 standard series. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next lecture.